Every day, hundreds of tractor parts arrive at this assembly line. Engines, transmissions, axles, hydraulic systems, and frames, all ready to become one powerful machine. This is Millard Tractors Limited, assembling tractors under the official license of Massey Ferguson. In this video, you will see step by step how a tractor is assembled, from an empty chassis to a fully operational farming machine.
Millard Tractors Limited, or MTL, began its journey in Pakistan in 1964 under the name Rana Tractors. At that time, the company focused on importing and assembling Massey Ferguson tractors to meet the country's growing agricultural needs. In 1972, the company was taken under state ownership and rebranded as Millard Tractors Limited. Later, in 1992, MTL was privatized and acquired by its employees, a unique milestone that marked a new era of growth and efficiency. Over the years, Millard Tractors has grown into Pakistan's leading tractor manufacturer, achieving a high level of indigenization, including local production of engines and critical components. Today,
The assembly process starts with the tractor chassis. The chassis is placed on a moving assembly line. This heavy steel frame will carry the entire weight of the tractor and all its working loads. Before assembly begins, each chassis is checked for alignment, cleaned, prepared for component installation. This ensures perfect fitment in later stages. Next, the front axle and steering components are installed. The front axle allows the tractor to turn smoothly, handle uneven farm terrain, maintain balance during heavy work. Steering linkages, joints, and hubs are carefully mounted and tightened according to specifications. Precision here is critical. Even small errors can affect handling. After the front axle installation, the tractor chassis is sent to the washing area. Here, the entire chassis is thoroughly washed using high-pressure water jets. This washing process removes dust and metal particles, oil and grease residues, welding and handling marks, Cleaning the chassis at this stage is extremely important. Any contamination left on the surface can affect paint adhesion and long-term corrosion protection. Once washing is complete, the chassis is allowed to dry and is carefully inspected. Only a clean and properly prepared chassis is approved to move forward for painting and further assembly. After washing, the clean chassis moves into the paint shop. First, the surface is treated to ensure strong paint adhesion and long-term protection. This step helps prevent rust and corrosion during years of field use. Next, the chassis enters a controlled spray booth where the iconic Massey Ferguson red paint is applied evenly. Robotic and manual spray systems work together to ensure uniform paint thickness, smooth finish, full coverage on all edges and joints. Once painted, the chassis is sent through a curing oven. Here, heat hardens the paint, making it durable against sunlight, water, mud and chemicals. After cooling, the painted chassis is visually inspected. Only bodies with a flawless finish move forward to the final assembly stage. After final assembly, the tractor is sent to the final inspection area. Here, trained inspectors carefully check the tractor from front to rear. First, the paint finish is inspected for color uniformity, surface smoothness, scratches, dust marks or paint defects. Next, the installation of all components is verified. Inspectors check engine and transmission mounting, hydraulic connections, electrical wiring and lighting, steering, brakes and control.
Now the tractor is almost ready for delivery. But before it reaches the farmer, one final step remains. The tractor is sent to the load and performance testing area. Here, the engine is run under controlled conditions to check power output, engine response, vibration and noise levels. Next, the wheels and tires are tested for proper alignment, balance, stability under load. The tractor is then placed under simulated working load. This ensures the transmission, brakes, and drivetrain perform smoothly without stress. Steering response and braking efficiency are also verified to ensure safe operation in the field. Only after passing all load, wheel, and performance tests, the tractor is cleared for delivery. This final testing guarantees that every tractor performs reliably from day one on the farm. Millat Tractors claims that they are capable of producing up to 400 tractors per day. And looking at the size and scale of this massive production facility, it's clear that this level of output is absolutely possible. From assembly to inspection and testing, every step shows the effort behind building tractors for Pakistan's farmers. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at tractor assembly. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to Asian Discovery for more factory visits and real industrial stories. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and until then, take good care of yourself and your family.